Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamming with Yarn, and this is an episode of Deliberate Cooking. I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll get started. I hope that everyone is doing well. Here come the water. And I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you and I thank you for stopping by. I hope you do subscribe and click the bell for all and come back again. Sorry about the water. So what do I have now? And this is something that I thought I would never like, just like I didn't like the at one point the, what was that called, the jackfruit. And okay, I'm learning to like it. You just have to learn how to fix it different ways and try different recipes. My last video was the spaghetti. It tasted good, but it would have been better with some spaghetti, actual spaghetti, but I ate it anyway for lunch because that's what a hungry girl, a working girl do. You eat what you have, okay? So I am making using chickpea or garbanzo beans, they would call it a tuna salad. Okay, this recipe is from Young Man Cook. I love his recipes. There's 3 people so far that I follow and I really do like what they make. And so this one is by him, and what's going into this recipe is the beans that need to be drained, Dijon mustard. Now he doesn't say relish, but I know in mine I normally put relish. I'll do that last and see how it turned out. I'm going to put a small chopped bell pepper, small amount of leeks, celery. I don't know, I like these, you guys. I don't know. I've tried them and I like them. This is something I like. This is new. Salt, pepper, lime juice. He didn't say to put any meal in it, but I'm going to put a little bit in it to make it wet enough, or put it on the bread. And let's see how that turned out. Now this is something that I didn't know I would eat or ever try to eat, beans on bread, but here we go. Okay, let's get started. Everything is chopped and we're going to put all the ingredients together. So this has been rinsed, and the first thing is salt and pepper is needed. And I'm going to put the little pepper in here. I hope you guys are doing good. On my last video with the meatballs, I realized it did not need smoked sauce. So if I ever make those again, I won't put smoked sauce in it. And I will make it, make them smaller, or just scramble it like scrambled ground beef. That's the way I normally do it. So now at this point we need some Dijon mustard. And I just pulled out the a tablespoon. Okay, Dijon mustard. And we need the seaweed, a tablespoon. And I had to use the bean, what do you call it, when you crush the beans, I had to use that. He chopped his, but I could not, my knife, it just would not chop with it. And I folded it up. Didn't work, but that do work. The next item we need is so he says onions. I got leeks, and only a tablespoon of leeks. Yeah, okay, that's a tablespoon. And some lime juice, a splash. Okay, a splash. I watched him and he said he just squeezed that. That's a splash. Okay, and what I forgot was the tahini sauce. Gotta mix that up. Here I go, making a mess. It's like peanut butter. And a tablespoon of this. And now we mash everything up. Okay, now I added, and sesame seeds is also what he had for the recipe, and he was mashing it like this. But you know, I've been finding this this dough thing works a lot easier when you're mashing stuff. So I would recommend this here. And after I do this, I will see if I want to add my ingredients, which is the, oh, I didn't put any of the sesame seeds. If I want to put mayonnaise in it, if I want to put pickle relish in it, once I do this. Okay, I'm back, and sorry, this is what it looks like. We got it all mashed. It looks like tuna. I mean, still have a couple of, it took time to mash that, because once I did it with this, I had to try to get the fine ones. Now I'm going to taste it now and let you know how it tastes. And I'm going to add the other stuff maybe. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Give you guys the first bite. Let's see. Oh my God. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. It tastes like tuna. He said this would give it the tuna taste. It really do. Oh my goodness, you guys. Try this one. Try this one. This one is quick and easy. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Look at me eating beans on bread eventually. Okay, so I'm going to add my celery to it, because that's how I'm going to add those little hot peppers and the bell pepper. And because it is thick, I am going to add the mayonnaise, or the vegan mayonnaise to it. Let's see. Let's try and see if I need, I'm going to rinse that off, because if someone was with me, I wouldn't double dip. So I'm going to rinse that off and see how it tastes. I like the crunch. I think I would add a little bit more of this to give that fishy taste. Or, yeah, this is the right one, right? Yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys. I would never think I would like this. Oh my goodness, y'all have to try this. So I'm going to put it in, because I'm scared to, I'm going to take a little bit out. Just to see, or if I should just put it in the, whole thing. I think maybe I won't. Okay, let's put a little of this in there. Let's see how this is going to taste. Okay, let's see how that tastes. Okay, you don't need to add just add it to the bread. I think that would be better. The crunch. You guys, that is so good. That is a winner. Go look at his video. I mentioned it in the beginning. Oh, I forgot this. Let me see. Might as well do it old style. Pickle relish. Okay, now I know what I can take to work. Or maybe I need to add just a little bit more of this. would believe this? Okay, seriously. Yeah, don't really need that. It gives it a little sweetness. You guys, that is it. That is my beans on bread, my veggie tuna salad. You guys, that. Thank you for watching. Okay, so quickly, I have the bread here. I think it's better not to put all the relish and the wet stuff in it. And I'm going to put a little pickle relish just to give it that taste that I'm familiar with. I'm going to add a little, some of this. Okay, I'm going to add a little more sesame seeds on top of mine. This is so good. And it needs just a little bit more, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. I've already eaten my chips up because I didn't know I was going to make this, but when I left the house today, I didn't eat, and it is 5:30, and I'm just now eating. Don't do that. I don't advise anyone to do that. That's the worst thing you can do. There you go. This is that bread I got from some other, something I made a while back. Okay. Bye-bye.